why your messages are not getting delivered on WhatsApp. So you just onboarded inside WhatChimp and tried launching your very first campaign, or you tried sending a message to a single person and you got this red tick which indicates that your message was not delivered. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can find out the reason for it and how to solve it. So what we have seen in majority of the cases why your messages are not getting delivered is because you forgot to add the payment method, right? Because Meta charges you for each and every conversation, not per message, per conversation. And what you forgot to do is add your credit card or debit card inside Meta. Like you added your credit card and debit card inside WhatChimp so that we can bill you, but you have not added your credit card and debit card so that Meta can bill you for each and every conversation, right? Because WhatChimp is one of those platforms which charges 0% commission fees. There is no prepaid system where you pay us and then we pay to Meta. No. So we remove the mediator and we allow you pay directly to Meta. That's why there is no commission on these conversation fees. So what you gotta do is add your payment method. But there can be scenarios where it is not related to payment method. It could be something else. So I'm going to show you how exactly you can find out why my message got failed to deliver. So if you're sending message personally, like one by one on live chat, or if you're doing bulk broadcasting, what you can do is go to that conversation, and for the message that you have sent, you will find a red tick like this, right? And when you hover on this tick for 3 to 5 seconds, it shows you the reason why the message got failed, right? So it says failed and the error code is 131042, which means message fails to send because there was one or more error related to payment method. Now, in your scenario, if the payment method is successfully added, then it could be something else. The only way to find out is just hover over it and then it's gonna give you an error code, right? And what you can do is go to Meta official website. This is Meta official error code directory. I'm gonna put it in the link below. Go inside that directory and check and find that error code. So what you need to do is just click on Control F and then search for that exact error code. You see over here, this was the error code that we found here, 131042, and it says that this is related to the payment method, which means you've not added your payment method correctly, right? So how do we fix that, right? It is pretty simple to fix it. What you need to do is go to your dashboard and then click on Connect WhatsApp. And then here, it's going to take you to your Meta Business Manager. You see this button that says Manage. You're going to click on that and Meta will itself show you that your payment method is missing. You see over here, it says missing valid payment method. You've not added your payment method yet, right? So all you have to do is click on the add payment method and it's going to take you to something like this where you will see your WhatsApp account, you will see all the information about your WABA, and then you will see a little button that says payment settings. And when you click on the payment settings, it takes you to your payment dashboard. Now this is where you can go ahead and add your payment method. Now make sure that you add your payment method. You're going to add your credit card as well as you're also going to add your business information. Both of it is important. Now a lot of people, what they do is they add their payment method and they forget to add their business information, but you have to ensure that you're adding both of these. Now once you have done that, you are ready to launch your very first campaign or send your message. Now try to launch your campaign again once you have added your payment method, and if you still get an error, I just told you how to find out. And how you find out is just hover over it and then it'll show you the exact error message, why it happened, and you can search for that error code on Meta and find out the documentation against it on how to solve that problem. If you're still stuck, no problem. Just reach out to our support through whatchimp.com/onboarding, and we will take it from there. We will do our best to help you fix the issue that you're currently facing. We are Meta business partners, so we can always escalate the issue to the Meta headquarter to get your issue resolved as quickly as possible. But what we have seen that 90% people have issues only with the payment method. So I hope that solves your problem. I hope you liked the video. If you have any questions, drop it down in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.